Now all of you see question number 6 of exercise 15.1, card properties of circle. In a circle of radius 5 centimeter, here radius is given 5 centimeter. AB and CD are two parallel cards of length 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter respectively. You have to calculate the distance between the cards if they are on the same side and if they are on the opposite side. So here I have drawn the diagram of the second part when the cards are in the opposite side. You can see here. AB and CD are two parallel cards. From point O, draw perpendicular on AB and perpendicular on CD. So this angle is 90, this angle is 90. These two lines are parallel and their sum is 180. Therefore, MON will be a straight line. MON will be a straight line. Why? Because the lines are parallel and the sum of angle M and N is 180 degree. 90 plus 90 equals to 180. Now when you will draw the perpendicular, then M will be the midpoint of AB and N will be the midpoint of CD. M is the midpoint of AB, means this will be 4 and this will be 3. Radius of the circle is given 5 centimeter. Means OA and OC equals to 5. So from Pythagoras theorem, you can find OM. What will be OM here? It is 3. What will be ON? 5 square minus 3 square equals to ON square. It's clear? So ON will be 4. So what will be MON? It will be equals to 7 centimeter. It's clear? Therefore, distance between both the cards when they are in the opposite side, it will be 7. Suppose if they are in the same side, then it will be equal to what? Then it will be equal to only this much, means 1 centimeter. 4 minus 3 equals to 1 centimeter, because then one card is at a distance of 4 centimeter, another card is only at a distance of 3 centimeter. So what will be the distance between both the cards? It will be 1 centimeter. It's clear? So this I am writing here. Now see here. From O, draw perpendicular. O is center of the circle. Draw perpendicular on AB and CD. Say OM and ON. Since AB parallel to CD and angle M equals to angle N equals to 90 degree. Therefore, angle M plus angle N equals to 90 plus 90, 180 degree. Therefore, MON will be a straight line. MON straight line. Now you can write in triangle OME. What will be AM? AM equals to AB upon 2. 8 by 2 equals to 4. What is the region? Already I have mentioned many times. Perpendicular drawn from center on the card bisects the card. What is OA here? It is equal to the radius, which is already given in the 5 centimeter. Therefore, from Pythagoras theorem, it will be equal to OM square equals to 5 square minus 4 square. So I am writing it directly. OM equals to 3 centimeter. Similarly, you can find ON. It is clear. So that I am not writing here. In triangle ONC, you will write exactly like this, and then you will show ON equals to 3 centimeter. Therefore, distance between cards when they are in opposite side so this is equals to OM plus ON. OM plus ON, that is 3 plus 4, 7 centimeter. When they are in opposite side, it will be 7 centimeter. Similarly, when they are in same side, distance equals to ON minus OM. So 4 minus 3, 1 centimeter. So by this way we can do to this question. You will write all the steps here. I not written some steps, so you will write those. Now question number 7a. So question number 7a is exactly same as question number 5. It's clear. Both are on the same questions. Means not same questions, they are differing in the numbers are differing, but questions are same type. It's clear. So 7a and question number 5 are of same type. Now you see the question number 7b. In the figure given below, CD is the diameter of the circle which meets chord AB in E such that AE equals to BE equals to 4 centimeter. Means AE and BE is equal to 4 centimeter. CE is given 3 centimeter. You have to find the radius. So you can see here AE and BE both are equal. Means E is the midpoint of chord AB. E is the midpoint of chord AB. Midpoint chord AB. It's clear. Now you can see here O is the center because this is diameter. O is the center. Line joining center to the midpoint of chord is perpendicular to the chord. Means we will write that this angle is 90. Angle OEB equals to 90 degree. Why? Because line joining, this is the second theorem, line joining center to midpoint of chord is perpendicular to chord. Means this angle is equal to 90 degree. Now you have to determine the radius. So how will you determine the radius? You join, first you join OB. OB will be equal to radius. Now OC will also be equal to radius, because from center to the circumference it is radius. So OB equals to OC equals to R. Now you can see here, what will be OE? OE equals to OC minus CE, that is R minus 3. This is R minus 3. So in triangle OEB, from Pythagoras theorem, so from Pythagoras theorem, what will be? OB square equals to OE square plus BE square. OB square equals to R square. OE square R minus 3 whole square. And BE it is already given 4 square. So now you simplify this. So R square, this we can open by using A minus B whole square, that is A square plus B square minus 2 into R into 3, and 4 square is 16. So R square and R square cancel. This is 0 equals to 9 minus 6R plus 16. So what is 6R? 25. Therefore R equals to 4 whole 1 upon 6 centimeter. This radius will be equal to this. Now all of you see question number 8, and it is also of this type. You can see here question number 6, like the question number 6. Here AB and CD are the two parallel cards whose length are given 24 and 18 centimeter. It is clear. And radius of the circle is 15. You have to find the distance between the cards, that is MN. So first of all we will write that MON is a straight line and white is a straight line. Since AB is parallel to CD and angle M plus angle N equals to 90 plus 90, 180 degree. Therefore MON is a straight line. It's clear. This thing you will mention as we have mentioned in the question number 6 at the beginning. Now after this you can see here AB is of 24, therefore what will be this BM? It will be 12, you know, M will be the midpoint because OM is perpendicular. Radius of the circle is given 15. So by Pythagoras theorem we can find OM. What will be OM? 15 square minus 12 square. 15 square is 225. 12 square is 144. So you can see here what is OM square? 15 square minus 12 square. 225 minus 144. So it will be near 81. It's clear. So what will be OM? It will be square root 81, 9 centimeter. Means this is 9 centimeter. Now you find out ON in the same way. You can see here. What will be DN? DN will be half of CD. DN equals to half of CD, that is 9. This is 15. So what will be this? Cn square equals to सी ओ डी स्क्वायर माइनस डी एन स्क्वायर. ओ डी स्क्वायर इज 15 स्क्वायर minus 9 square, that is 225 minus 81 equals to 144. So what will be Cn? It is square root 144, that is 12 centimeter. Therefore distance between both the cards, therefore both cards, so this will be equals to OM plus ON. OM plus ON means 9 plus 12. 21 centimeter. It will be equal to 21 centimeter.